Hello everybody. Today we are going to go ahead and see certain features of ERP Next. Today we are going to cover certain aspects of accounting management system. So under accounting management system, we are going to see how we are in position to create suppliers and customers. The supplier can be created from the purchase window as well, and you can also do it from the accounting menu. We are going to proceed from here. This is a basic widget which is available, and you can also go ahead and dismiss this. I'm going to click on create to create an entry. Please note that every time you create a supplier, the system will open up a wizard. You can choose a group. You can define a supplier type, whether it's a company or individual, and click on save. Now once you go ahead and create this supplier, the supplier would be visible. Under accounts payable, you will be able to see the list of suppliers as you can see here. When I click on this, I will be able to see detailed information about this supplier. So now I can enter the details of the supplier, tax ID, tax category, tax withholding category. Is it a transporter, an internal supplier? Do you want to keep it inactive? Do you want to provide certain warnings? You can define whether it's a company or an individual. You can define its currency and price list. You can define its default payment terms. So here we have defined the payment terms. You can add new contacts or addresses, name, last name, user ID, gender, contact details, contact numbers, different reference number. So a lot of information is available here. Apart from this, there is information related to default payable accounts. We will look into this details once we go into accounting section. Under most section, you have website, the language which is going to be used to print the reports, and an additional comment that can be recorded. Okay. Once you have done that, you can click on save, and no information will be saved. Since I did not make any change, that's why no changes in documents are being referred. On the left hand side, you can assign this to specific users. You can attach certain files. You can add your reviews or share the details. And when you click on follow, all the updates are visible here. Okay, again, no changes. So this is visible. Okay. That's all for this session. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.